My name is Glenn Millihan.
Thank you.
Judge, I met with Glenn last night for about an hour and a half, and we discussed, went over the police report. And I have to, not that I want to argue the case, Judge, but this is really a questionable case. The police report says there's no injuries, that the victim was highly intoxicated, and that the witness who originally stated in the police report that she saw my client slap or hit the victim, then later changed in the following paragraph. Well, maybe he didn't actually hit her. That all being said, because of this case, Judge Slay has no bond filed, bond violation on, or excuse me, violation of bond on her case. Glenn feels that he wants to get this resolved as quickly as possible. I explained to him the right to go to trial by jury. He would ask, he's willing to waive jury and set this matter for bench trial. I know this is quick, but I've been told you have an open docket next week. Judge, that's not good. That doesn't sound good for my.
Do I ever have an open docket? Really?
Well, I mean, as far as she said, there's nothing on the schedule now. I have two matters in Chelsea, but I could be available at 11 o'clock next week. So you being the.
Oh, you like the student want to set your own time.
Well,
okay, go ahead.
Object to that timeline. I would ask for more time given to give us a chance to speak to that eyewitness as well as the victim and get that together.
Honor, the victim said no crime happened.
But sir, please.
Glenn, remember what we talked about last night?
Okay, I'm sorry.
What
Your next would be the 24th.
yeah, but my trial week would normally come up at the end of November, but I'm presuming you're trying to find something before then. But
Yeah, I was
I've gotta
hoping.
balance it against the people wanting to.
Well, it's 11 o'clock instead of 9 o'clock. That should be
What?
just nothing.
Oh, that was killing Wild in his sense of humor.
I'm looking for
Yeah.
I don't know how far.
How much, Jacinda, how much time reasonably would you need to make sure that you have adequate time to talk to the?
Your Honor, I would ask, I'm not even looking at the right one. For at least at least 2 weeks. I know if we're
Okay.
going out to the week of the 10th, I'll have to have someone cover it for me as I will be out of town.
Got it.
So it could be Monday, November 3rd, or Monday, November 17th. Don't have to.
Would today was 20th, that'd be 2 weeks. Would that be enough time for you or? Okay.
Your Honor, to ask for the 17th if we could.
Judge, I have a circuit court trial that day with Judge Kunke on the 17th. Is there any chance we could do it November 3rd in the afternoon?
Well, I think they're trying to, look, I'm trying to speed this up for your client as best I can, because I understand what you're saying at that. I would normally be at November 24th. I don't have the 10th.
We could do Tuesday the 4th in the afternoon at like 1 o'clock.
I'm sorry, November 4th in the afternoon?
That would be I would be setting a special time in the
We
afternoon.
could try for the 3rd.
You can try for the 3rd?
Yes.
Okay.
Judge, I have Judge Freshour said I better not miss November 3rd at 10 o'clock in her courtroom. I've already paid a fine to her once before, and I don't feel like doing it.
So if we delay you, it'll be another fine?
Probably.
So I can send her a message and like tell her what amount I'd like to see?
Yeah, sure. Could it be in the afternoon on the 3rd?
Oh, God.
We normally have a daisy docket in the afternoon and we have a wet.
Well, we could get it done before the wedding. I'm sure of that.
I don't know if that's a good prelude to a wedding, but, well, my docket starts in the afternoon, but you'd be trying to set it for what, in the morning?
November 3rd, yeah, that's the date that he had the.
Okay, so, dear, God, kill
I apologize, Judge.
No, you don't.
Well,
You do, but it doesn't mean anything.
that's
You're not
true.
really apologizing.
Well,
You'd love to cause.
I'm trying to be
agony.
humble about this.
So what time are you supposed to be before Judge Fresh?
10 o'clock.
But that's here. Because Celine's not opening till the 4th, right? Or are they opening on the 3rd?
I'm pretty sure it's in Chelsea.
Oh, in Chelsea.
Yeah.
Okay, then it doesn't matter.
You're.
Oh, man. I knew it was gonna do this. All right.
Some fucking asked that it be dismissed.
Hmm?
I asked them to, ask that it be dismissed. The victim said nothing happened. Crime never happened. Why ain't he saying nothing?
Glenn?
All right. They got him muted. Okay. All right. He's waiving his right to jury.
Glenn, you're still waiving your right to have a jury trial, right?
I've asked you,
Earliest-
I would like for
I'm
you to do
sorry?
what I asked you to do, Mr. Bob Kilowatts. I asked you to ask a specific thing and you're not doing it for me. And if you're not gonna do it for me, I would like you to remove yourself from my case.
I thought I did ask what you
You
wanted,
didn't.
Glenn.
The victim said nothing happened, a crime never happened, and I'm sitting in jail for a crime that never happened. You're not even asking for a dismissal. Yeah, I'm upset with you. You're not doing your job.
Well, Mr. Milhan, if I can just interrupt, what Mr. Kilowald's trying to do and what he's explained to me, and maybe there's something I'm not understanding, is that really what's holding you is the bond issue before Judge Slay because of this case. So what he's trying to do is get me to set this as fast as I can, because he could argue a motion to dismiss. He had to file a motion to dismiss, give the people time to respond. And without hearing witnesses, I couldn't dismiss it anyway. So he's just trying to, if that's the issue, he's trying to get you there as fast as he can. So, I mean, but it's up to you what you want to do.
I want to waive my right to a jury trial.
Pardon?
I would like to waive my right to a jury trial. I would like to have a bench trial, sir. I don't mean to cause an issue or nothing. I'm just thought we were on the same page, and I'm.
No, I think you are. He just has to follow certain procedures to do it. Okay, so let me go through this with you. If you're waiving your right to a jury trial, you understand that you have an absolute and constitutional right to have the matter tried before a jury.
Yes.
All right, and you understand that by waiving that, you'll have a trial before this court without a jury present.
Yes.
Okay. People also waive their right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Based upon the statement of counsel and defendant, court will consent to have the matter tried before it without a jury. I'll set non-jury trial at a special time for November 3rd, 2025 at 11:30. All right. And, you know, Mr. Milhan, sometimes people don't understand that attorneys are working very hard for them. I don't usually do this, but Mr. Killowald has convinced me to do that, set it at a special time so he can be here outside of my docket. So I think sometimes people need to just be appreciative of what they have. All right, bond at this time.
I apologize if I feel like you disrespected it. If I disrespected the court, I apologize.
It's not, Mr. Milhan, let me just tell you, it's not really about disrespecting me, but I see attorneys when they're working hard, and he's working hard for you. He's pressing me to set it here, and you know, it could wait till the 24th, but he's trying to do that and trying to squeeze it in to make sure he can be here for a trial for you because he realized what the issue is.
I apologize, Mr. Bob Killerwas. I do apologize to the court. I apologize to attorney Bob Killerwas. He has been trying to look out for me, and I'm just frustrated about this whole incident. I'm sorry.
All right.
Glenn, I'll come and see you in a couple of days. We'll talk more, okay?
As I said, I'm sorry, Bob. I appreciate what
That's
you
okay.
do.
I'm still gonna do what I told you I'd do if you didn't give me any trouble.
All right.
Thanks, Judge.
Bond will continue. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Milhan.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Consideration.
Court does call the case. People versus Amin is it Falahi? I don't know. I messed it up.
Ally's on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Falahi.
Yeah.
State your name for the record, sir, please.
It's like it's user and he's muted.
You're muted, sir.
There should be a little microphone with a line through it. You gotta click that microphone.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Yes,
Go ahead.
yeah,
State your name, sir.
Your Honor, my name is Amin Falahi.
Falahi. Got it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I was trying to put the syllable in the wrong spot. All right. What are we doing?
We're asking to set this for final settlement conference, please.
All right. Jury final settlement conference in this case will be set December 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection, if necessary, December 8th, 2025, 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Bond will continue. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Court calls case People versus Barry Reed.
Ally's on behalf of the people. Good afternoon, Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Reed. Mr. Reed, unmute and state your name for the record, please.
And you'll need to be someplace stationary, sir.
I'm stationary.
All right. What's your name?
Barry Reed.
All right. What are we doing?
Yeah, I believe this is a show cause for fines and costs.
Yes, there's 2,000. 2,284 owing, 1,851.92 of which is restitution.
Yes, I did speak to him about his payments. He, just recently got out of custody, and is getting back to work. So he's asking for a little bit more time to determine what his payments can be, since he's just now, working.
Well, he'll have to come up with something, particularly regarding this restitution. I'll adjourn it out to November 3rd, 2025 at 1 p.m. regarding a payment plan on this. Right?
Thank you.
I can have a payment in before then, sir.
Pardon?
I can have a payment in before November 3rd.
Okay, then you need to start paying on this, and then we can probably set up something formally for how you're gonna get this paid.
Okay. Can I just pay this on, pay it online, or do I got to come in person and pay?
You're gonna have to, on the restitution, you're gonna have to come into court because that's gotta be paid in cash.
Okay.
All right? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Caitlyn Morgan.
Oh, there she is. Okay.
Teresa Claire on behalf of probation, Your Honor, Ms. Morgan is before the court for a review hearing. Ms. Morgan is compliant with the terms ordered by the court, accepting her payment plan. She has an arrears of $120. She is reporting and doing other things. I can tell you, Judge, she did have some surgeries, which I think has prevented her from working consistently. So she had those, and I don't know if she has a follow-up one or not, but one was recent. Given the circumstances, probation is asking, though, that Ms. Morgan make the $120 arrears payment today, and that she can continue with her payment plan of $60 per month thereafter. Probation is also asking that the GPS tether discontinue today. She's not had any violations on that, and has been compliant with it. That all the other conditions continue as this court previously ordered, with a review hearing being set next on January 12th, 2026 at 1 p.m.
We have no objection to any of that, Your Honor, with the exception of the money. So just to add on to what Ms. Pilar was saying, Ms. Morgan, if the court remembers, was in a bad accident earlier this year. Because of that, she's been out of work and has had multiple surgeries. She is, I think, going to be applying for disability. So I don't think she's been working at all since.
Sorry.
Uh-oh.
Since the accident.
I applied. I just haven't gotten approved yet. So I have an attorney that's working on my disability case for me, and I should hear something by December.
Yeah, it's a long process, as the court knows. So she said she can't pay that 120 today. I'd ask her, Ms. Morgan, do you know if there's a date that you can pay the 120 by to get back on your payment plan?
I'm hoping that I hear something from Social Security by December, because as of right now I have like zero income. Like my mom, me and my mom are living together. She's helping me with everything. I just had surgery less than a month ago. I just got my staples removed. I'm still healing. So there's not much I can do. I go to occupational therapy twice a week, and it's also physical therapy and hand therapy because I have a lot of nerve damage from the accident. And, I just had my second surgery. On top of that, I have a lot of things wrong with my neck and my back, and I'm supposed to go to the chiropractor twice a week, which I can't even go to that right now because of my arm, the way that I have to sit in the chair. I can't really set my arm down like that right now. So I can't even really go to that right now. So I'm falling a little bit behind, even as far as like my health, due to my surgery, my recent surgery.
Here's what I got you. Here's what I need you to do. I want you to, so that you don't fall so far behind, I want you to pay $60. However, you got to kind of get that together. But I'm going to give you a month to get that into us. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so $60 by November 21st,
Okay.
2025. And then,
By November 21st?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
then I'll have it at 60 per month beginning, and I'll just set it at this point for December 20th. I don't know if you'll hear regarding your disability by that time, but maybe you
Hopefully I
will.
do. Hopefully I do.
All right. But I want to see the 60 by the 21st.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'll discontinue.
Is it okay if I can? Is it okay if I can
What'd you
speak
say?
freely for a minute?
Go ahead.
I just wanted to say that I think that you're a phenomenal judge. You can make people laugh that are in jail, which nobody wants to laugh while they're in there, to be honest. And you also give a lot of people hope. And I just wanted to say that I hope that you keep doing what you're doing, and you're a blessing to this world. That's all. And God bless you as well.
And you, Miss Morgan. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. Thank you for those kind words. You didn't have
You're
to say
welcome.
that, but it's very appreciated. I appreciate it. And I know that you're not saying that to try to garner any
No,
favor or anything
you've
like.
already
No,
said
I
what you said.
know.
What you
I
said is
know, Miss
done.
Morgan. Miss Morgan. I know that you're not. And I know that you're not saying it for those reasons, which makes it even more special to me. So thank you, ma'am.
I'm glad. Thank you.
I'll discontinue the GPS tether. I'll continue all terms as previously ordered. I'll set our next review hearing January 12th, 2026, 1 p.m. All right. Thank
Okay.
you.
You're welcome. You guys all have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.